welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this look. This set was by far the most challenging set I've ever done. I think it had to do a lot with the fact that I'm not really good at ombre, but the fact that it was side to side ombre was so challenging. But I finally got it down. It took me like about maybe 2 hours for me to learn how to actually, blend the colors and get a nice ombre look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe, please. I would really appreciate that. And yeah, let's get right into the video. If you want your nails to last, don't forget to use a dehydrator and a primer. I like to put 2 layers of primer just so they can last longer. For the base of my nails, I'm going to be using clear polygel, and then I'm going to be applying the design on top of my clear polygel. To create this look, I decided to go with the MAKART rainbow kit. For the top of the nails, I decided to go with Gershon's Cover Pink. I really wanted a nude color, but I didn't have one, so I just went with this one, and it turned out pretty cute. So I started by putting one color on one side and the other color on the other side, and then once they met in the middle, I would kind of push down with my brush, and once it was like flat enough, I would pull it down, and whatever was like on the tip of the nail, I would push it back up, like kind of folded it back up, and then I would do the tapping again and push it down, and kept picking it up and pushing it down again until it blended all together and created the ombre look. On this nail, you could really see what I was talking about, where I would like push it in and then brush it down and then fold it and push it back up. To create this golden line, I use MAKART's Galaxy stick. I just follow directions in the back. It just basically says to put a top coat, cure it, and then put the Galaxy stick on it. So I did that, but I felt like the lines were too thick, so I used my brush and some acetone, and I just thinned out the lines a little bit just so they could look, you know, thinner. So I finished the look with some top coat, and this is the end result. I am obsessed with this look. I think it's really cute. I could have done a lot better on the blending and ombre, but I was just so exhausted. It took me a lot of time to do this set, so I just wanted to get it over with. But I will be trying some more, you know, ombre in the future. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.